Have you ever wondered how to become wealthier in life? How can you achieve greater wealth while living a more meaningful life? Today, we will discuss practical ways to enhance your wealth. And the best part is, we will do it by adopting principles from Stoicism that you can easily apply in your daily life. Don't miss out on valuable information we'll share in this video. This is a practical guide on how you can become wealthier the Stoic way, and I recommend you watch until the end to truly benefit from it in your life. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and hit the subscribe button to support our channel and stay updated with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. Part 1. Uncovering the true value of wealth. True wealth is not merely associated with material possessions, but also with wisdom and virtue. How can we comprehend the true value of wealth? Self-control. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of controlling our reactions and emotions to the external world. It includes recognizing that we cannot control everything that happens outside of ourselves, but we always have full control over how we respond. In this context, happiness is seen as a result of self-control and wisdom in responding to situations, not depending on external factors. Stoicism reminds us that external things like wealth, social status, or material possessions should not be the primary sources of happiness. Wealth and physical belongings can come and go, but true happiness arises from virtue, morality, and our character, which are within our control. The significance of wisdom. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of developing virtue and wisdom in our perception and approach to life. This involves understanding that our feelings and views of the world are the result of our internal judgments. Therefore, we can change our perspectives and reactions to things that happen outside of us. Happiness in simplicity. Stoicism encourages a simple way of life and avoiding excessive desires and indulgences. When we are not attached to excessive desires and luxuries, we tend to be more content with what we have, contributing to deeper happiness. Acceptance of uncertainty. Stoicism teaches that uncertainty is a natural part of life, and we should accept this reality calmly. When we accept that we cannot control everything, we can feel more at peace when facing uncertainty. Part 2. Controlling emotions related to money. Stoicism teaches us not to let fear, greed, or anxiety dictate our financial decisions. Here's an explanation of how to control money-related emotions with concrete examples. Fear of losing money. Many people fear losing their money, especially in risky investments or businesses. Stoicism teaches us to respond to this fear with rationality. For instance, if you're investing in stocks and their prices drop, instead of panicking, consider why you chose those stocks and whether the factors that made you believe in the investment still apply. This helps you avoid emotional decisions like selling stocks at a low price out of fear. Greed in investments. Greed can drive someone to take excessive risks in investments. For example, someone might be tempted to buy highly volatile cryptocurrencies because they see others making significant profits. In the context of Stoicism, it's essential to remind yourself to stay calm and think rationally. You can ask yourself, does this investment align with my planned goals and strategies? Financial anxiety. Financial anxiety is a common emotion. For instance, you might worry about unpaid bills or your future finances. Stoicism teaches us to address this anxiety with appropriate actions. For example, if you're concerned about bills, create a budget and plan how to manage them. Having a clear action plan can reduce anxiety and make you feel more in control. Overspending and impulsiveness. Emotions like excitement or temptations from promotional ads can lead someone to make impulsive purchases that may not make sense financially. Stoicism teaches us to control desires and remind ourselves of true values and priorities. Before making significant purchases, consider whether they align with your financial goals and whether you genuinely need them. Frustration. Due to market changes, Stoicism teaches us to accept the fact that markets are always uncertain, and we don't have full control over those changes. For instance, you can contemplate that you've done sufficient research before investing and have taken prudent actions. Consequently, you can respond to market changes more calmly and rationally. Part 3. Considering needs versus wants. Stoicism also teaches us to distinguish between needs and wants. By carefully considering what we truly need, we can manage our expenses more efficiently. Prioritizing your spending and allocating your money wisely is key to achieving financial health and your financial goals. Here are some tips to help you do that. Create a budget. Plan how much money you receive each month and identify your regular expenses, such as bills, groceries, and debt payments. This will give you a clear picture of how much money you can allocate to different needs. Identify financial priorities. Determine your financial priorities. What are your short-term and long-term financial goals? These may include debt repayment, retirement savings, investments, children's education, or significant purchases like a house or car. Identifying priorities will help you allocate your money more effectively. The importance of needs versus wants. Stoicism teaches us to distinguish between needs and wants. Focus first on meeting your basic needs, such as food, shelter, bills, and insurance. Then, allocate the remainder of your money to broader wants. This helps you avoid unnecessary impulsive spending. Financial planning. Create a financial plan that outlines how much you will allocate to each spending category and savings. Ensure that this plan aligns with your priorities. For example, if retirement is your priority, allocate a significant amount to retirement investments. Discipline and self-control. Stoicism also emphasizes the importance of discipline and self-control. This means sticking to your financial plan even when faced with temptations to spend more on less essential things. If you see something you want, consider whether it aligns with your financial plan and whether it will bring you closer to your financial goals. Regular evaluation periods. During the first few months, you may need to make adjustments to your financial plan. Each month, evaluate your expenses and see if you've reached your financial goals. If there are changes in your financial situation, such as a salary increase or unexpected expenses, adjust your financial plan as needed. Emergency savings. Stoicism also teaches the importance of preparing for tough times. Therefore, make sure you have sufficient emergency funds to handle unforeseen events, such as urgent home repairs or job loss. Part 4. Investment in education and skills. 4 minutes. Stoicism values knowledge and wisdom. One way to attain wealth is through investing in your education and skill development. Here's an explanation of the importance of education and how it can boost income opportunities. Enhanced skills. Education equips individuals with the skills, knowledge, and competencies needed to function in various job sectors. The higher one's level of education, the more skills and knowledge they possess, which can make them more competitive in the labor market. Access to better job opportunities. Higher education degrees, such as bachelor's or higher, often serve as prerequisites for specialized jobs. Many companies and organizations also prefer to recruit individuals with a strong educational background, as they are considered better prepared to handle complex tasks and high responsibilities. Broader career opportunities. Higher education can open doors to a wide range of career opportunities. Someone with a bachelor's degree or higher often has more job choices compared to someone with only a high school or lower level education. This provides individuals with flexibility to seek employment that aligns with their interests, talents, and goals. Higher income. Higher education is often associated with higher income. Statistics show that individuals with higher levels of education tend to earn higher average incomes than those with only a high school or lower level education. Higher education degrees often lead to better job prospects and higher salaries. Career advancement and social mobility. Education is not just about securing a job, but also about career advancement. With a strong educational background, individuals have better opportunities for promotions and assuming greater responsibilities in their jobs. This can contribute to social mobility, the ability to improve one's economic and social status. Adaptability to change. Education also provides individuals with the ability to adapt to changes in the job market. With the knowledge and skills acquired through education, they can more easily adjust to evolving technology and changing job demands over time. Leadership skill. Development. Higher education often offers opportunities to develop leadership, managerial, and interpersonal skills that are crucial in senior roles. This can open doors to positions requiring leadership skills, which typically have the potential for higher salaries. Part 5. Living simply. Stoicism advocates for a simple lifestyle. By avoiding excessive luxuries, we not only save money, but also reduce the stress and anxiety associated with excessive spending. Simple living is a lifestyle where an individual prioritizes their basic needs while avoiding excessive consumption and unnecessary luxuries. It involves an awareness of what truly matters in life and living a life more focused on core values. Here's an explanation of how to live simply and its benefits. Prioritize basic needs. Living simply means prioritizing basic needs such as food, shelter, clothing, and health. It involves only buying items that are genuinely necessary to meet these needs. Be frugal in spending, managing money wisely and avoiding wastefulness. This includes budgeting, seeking deals, and comparing prices before purchasing goods or services. Reduce ownership of goods. Simple living often involves owning fewer physical possessions. This can mean decluttering items that are no longer used or needed, reducing the desire to buy new items, and avoiding excessive accumulation. Focus on quality over quantity. Individuals who live simply tend to choose high-quality goods and experiences over merely accumulating many items or spending money on things that don't provide real benefits. Appreciate the simple life. Simple living also involves an appreciation for the happiness that can be found in simple things like interacting with family and friends, enjoying nature, or engaging in creative activities or social endeavors. Benefits of simple living. Financial freedom. Simple living can result in significant savings in the long run. This can help individuals reduce their debt, save for important goals, and achieve financial freedom more quickly. Stress reduction. Living without the pressure to constantly acquire new possessions or maintain an expensive social image can reduce stress and financial anxiety. This can lead to an improved quality of life. Resilience to uncertainty. Simple living also teaches us to live more modestly, which can strengthen our resilience to economic or life uncertainties. Lighter environmental impact. Reducing excessive consumption can contribute to a lighter environmental footprint. This can involve reducing waste and carbon emissions, as well as decreasing the strain on resources. Investing for the long term is a strategy commonly used to build wealth over an extended period. It involves putting your capital into assets or investments with the expectation of value growth over time. Here's an explanation of how long-term investing can help you achieve wealth. Investment value. Growth. One of the primary benefits of long-term investing is the growth of your investment value. Investments like stocks, bonds, or futures tend to experience value increases over time. While there are short-term market fluctuations, the market generally trends upward in the long run. Compound interest benefits. In long-term investing, compound interest can have a significant impact. This means that the income or gains you earn from your investments are reinvested to generate more earnings. Thus, your growth potential increases as time goes on. Leverage benefits. Long-term investing often involves using leverage, such as margin loans or credit, to invest more. If your investments yield positive results, the use of leverage can significantly enhance your profits. However, it's crucial to remember that leverage also carries higher risks. Passive income. Some forms of long-term investments, like dividend stocks or rental properties, can generate sustainable passive income. This income can serve as a substantial additional income source and contribute to building your wealth. Portfolio diversification. By long-term investing in various assets in different asset classes, you can create a diversified portfolio. Diversification helps mitigate risks and enhances long-term profit potential. Inflation risk management. Inflation is the gradual increase in prices of goods and services over time. Long-term investments, such as stocks or real assets like property, can often help you combat the effects of inflation. As your investment value grows over time, you can maintain your purchasing power. The compound effect. The concept of the compound effect is the idea that gains or returns you earn from investments are reinvested, leading to more significant returns in subsequent years. Over time, the compounding effect can result in significant portfolio growth. It's essential to remember that long-term investing also involves risks, and there are no guarantees of profits. Therefore, thorough research, prudent diversification, and a clear understanding of your investment goals are crucial before you start. Part 6. Train yourself to be patient. Stoicism teaches the importance of patience in facing challenges and reaching goals, including financial ones. In the context of long-term investing, patience is indeed a virtue. Here's an explanation of how cultivating patience can contribute to your financial success. Resisting emotional reactions. Patience involves resisting emotional reactions to short-term market fluctuations. Instead of panicking during market downturns, patient investors remain calm and stay focused on their long-term goals. They understand that the market goes through ups and downs, and they don't make impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Staying committed to the plan. Patient investors create a well-thought-out investment plan and stick to it. They don't constantly change their strategy in response to market news or the latest trends. This discipline allows them to benefit from the long-term growth potential of their investments, allowing time for compounding. Patience is especially crucial for leveraging the power of compounding. Compounding means that your returns earn returns, and this process accelerates over time. Patient investors understand that the longer they leave their investments untouched, the more significant the compounding effect becomes. Riding out market volatility. Financial markets can be volatile, and short-term price swings are common. Patient investors don't get shaken by these fluctuations. They recognize that, over time, the markets tend to trend upwards, and short-term volatility is a natural part of the investment journey. Avoiding chasing quick wins. Impatience can lead to chasing quick wins and speculative investments, which often come with higher risks. Patient investors are less likely to fall into this trap because they focus on long-term, well-researched investments that align with their goals. Resisting peer pressure. In a world driven by instant gratification, patient investors resist peer pressure to conform to the latest investment fads or get-rich-quick schemes. They remain steadfast in their commitment to their long-term vision. Embracing delayed gratification. Patience is closely tied to delayed gratification, which means sacrificing short-term desires for long-term benefits. Patient investors are willing to forego immediate gains for the prospect of more substantial rewards down the road. In conclusion, patience is a vital attribute for achieving financial success, especially when it comes to long-term investing. By remaining calm, disciplined, and committed to your long-term goals, you can harness the power of time and compounding to build wealth steadily over the years. Remember that there are no shortcuts to financial success, and cultivating patience is an essential step in your journey. Thank you for watching this video on how to become wealthy the Stoic way. Remember, Stoicism is not just about material wealth, but also about wisdom and true happiness. By applying these Stoic principles in your daily life, you can achieve deeper richness. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please share it with your loved ones and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.